Hi guys, welcome to Nam's channel. Today we are going to make this little cake together, so let's start it. First, we are going to do a magic ring just like this, and then put our hook in, yarn over once again to do one chain. For the first round, we need to do 8 single crochet. We put our hook in, yarn over, go through the 2 loops on our hook. This is our very first single crochet. We can put a mark here, and then we need to do 7 more. So after the 8 single crochet, we put this end to close the circle. We take out our mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over here, pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch, and then we do 1 chain to start our next round. Our next round, the pattern is our single crochet increase. In the mark place, we put our hook in. We can put this end on top of our hook to carry it, yarn over here, yarn over, go through 2 loops. So this is our very first single crochet. Single crochet increase means in the same stitch we need to do 2 single crochet. So remember to put a mark in, and then in the same stitch we need to do 1 more single crochet. Then we just repeat it, 1 stitch, 2 single crochet to finish this round. After finish the very last single crochet increase, we take off the mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. For the next round, we do 2 chain first. For this round, we only crochet in the back stitch. To do a half double crochet, we yarn over, put our hook in the center of the stitch, only half of the stitch, just like this, yarn over, and we should have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, go through the 3 loops at once. Then yarn over, put our hook into the center of the stitch, only half of the stitch, yarn over, go through the 3 loops on our hook. Then we just repeat it. For this whole round, we crochet only half stitch to do half double crochet. So after the very last half double crochet, we put our hook into the first stitch. There is a little hole in here because we do 2 chain first in here, and then yarn over, and then pull our hook directly to do a. So for the next round, we do 2 chain to start, and then we yarn over. We do a front post half double crochet. This is our very first half double crochet from the last round. We yarn over, and then we put our hook under it, like this. In here, we yarn over, then go through the 3 loops on our hook, just like this. This is our front post half double crochet, and then in our second stitch, we just do a normal half double crochet on here, yarn over, and then go through 3 loops on our hook. You can see the front post half double crochet is popped up. So after the pop up one, we skip a flight one, just like this, and then in the third one, we make it pop up. We do a front post half double crochet, yarn over, and yarn over, go through 3 loops. Then the next stitch is a normal one. We just put our hook in here, yarn over, and yarn over, go through 3 loops. Then skip a flat one on here, the next one, yarn over here, and then go through 3 loops. We just repeat it, 1 front post half double crochet and 1 normal half double crochet. For our very last stitch should be a normal half double crochet, and in here we need to change our yarn color. We yarn over, put our hook into the very last stitch, and in here we yarn over. We should have 3 loops on our hook, In here we change the yarn color. We hold it on the back like this, and then yarn over, go through 3 loops. In the whole place here we do a slip stitch, put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly, just like this. We finished changing the yarn color, and then we do 2 chains to start our next round. For this round the pattern is the same. We're gonna do a first front post half double crochet. This round is easier because you can see the pop-up one. We just continue the pop-up, and then a regular pop-up, yarn over here, put our hook from under the stitch in here, yarn over, and then go through 3 loops on our hook. Then the next one is a normal one in here, and next one is a pop-up one, and then the second one is a normal half double crochet. In here we yarn over, go through 3 loops, and then the next one is a front post half double crochet. We go under the stitch, yarn over, and then go through 3 loops. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. After finishing the very last half double crochet in the whole place here, there should be a little small hole. We put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. We do 1 chain first to start our next round, and for this round we're gonna do a single crochet decrease. We put our hook in the only half of the stitch like this, and then put our hook in the next one, only half of the stitch. We yarn over here, go through 2 loops. In here, remember to put a mark, and then only half of them, 2 half. Yarn over, go through 2 loops. We just repeat it to the end. After finishing up the single crochet decrease, we take out our mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly. We leave about this long and then snip off. After filled, we close it. We put our needle in only half of the stitch, and then we skip the next full stitch. Put our needle in the center of the stitch, only half of it. We just repeat doing it. Then here we put this to close it, and then we put our needle in the center of it. We go through like this a couple of times. Then we are going to do the top cream. We do chain first, like this, yarn over, and then fasten it. We do 2 chain here, and then back to our first chain. We yarn over, put our hook in the very first chain, yarn over here. This is an unfinished half double crochet. We need to do 2 more in the same stitch. Then after this, we yarn over, go through all the loops at once. We do 1 chain here, and then we do 2 chain. In the second chain from hook, we yarn over, then put our hook in, yarn over here, repeat 2 times, put yarn over, put our hook in, and then after the third one, we yarn over, go through all the loops at once. We do 1 chain first, and then 2 chain. In the second chain from hook, we yarn over, put our hook in, yarn over like this, and repeat 2 more times. And here we yarn over, go through all the loops. Then we do one chain and then snip off. For the little top part, we do 3 chain first. And put our hook in, yarn over, fasten it. We do 3 chain first. In the second chain from our hook, this one, we yarn over, put our hook in, do a double crochet, yarn over here, yarn over, go through the first 2 loops, and then yarn over, go through 2 loops. So this is double crochet. Then in the very first chain, we put our hook in, yarn over, and then yarn over, pull our hook directly. We do 1 chain and then snip off. To make it look like this, I put my hook into the center and then grab one end. It will be look like this. And then we just use hot glue to glue all of them together. So this is all about today's video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. I will see you next week. Bye!